In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use threads on Slack. This skill is essential for keeping your conversations organized and ensuring important messages don't get lost in the shuffle. So, let's dive in and make the most out of Slack's threading feature together. First, we'll start by navigating to the Slack website. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Slack homepage. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find the Sign In button. Give it a click to proceed. This will lead you to a page where you can choose how you'd like to log in. For this demonstration, we'll simplify things by opting to sign in with Google. Clicking on the Google option will open up a prompt for you to use your Google account credentials. Enter your details and complete the sign-in process. Once you're logged into Slack, you'll be greeted with your workspace. For today's focus, we're going to navigate to your direct messages or DMs. Head over to that section to find your recent conversations. Now, select the message you wish to respond to in a thread. Clicking on a specific message will open up additional options. You'll notice a reply button nearby. Clicking this is what allows us to start a thread conversation, thereby making our chats neat and concise. When you click reply, a sidebar will pop up on the right side of your screen. This is where the magic happens. Here, you can directly respond to the message, creating a threaded conversation. Simply type your message into the text box. This feature is particularly helpful for continuing discussions without cluttering the main channel view. Once you've composed your reply, it's time to send it. Just hit the send button located at the bottom of the text box and voila! Your threaded message is now part of the conversation. The other person will be able to see your response in the thread view, keeping the dialogue organized and coherent. Threads on Slack are a game changer, especially in busy work environments where messages can fly fast and furious. By using threads, you maintain context and can easily keep track of ongoing discussions without losing any critical details. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to using threads in Slack. You've just added a powerful tool to your communication skills, ensuring that your team stays connected, informed, and on the same page. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to explore and practice using Slack threads even further to fully master this feature. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.